We're here for a pond build.
Good morning. I am in Grafton, New Hampshire at my parents' house. This is my dad, Jim. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. No.
Anyway, we are building a pondless waterfall for Mom for Mother's Day. We went out and got some nice rocks yesterday. They've got some really crazy shapes to them. We're gonna go out again this afternoon. We'll get some other rocks. My dad's a rock hound, so you can't just have an ordinary green mossy rock. You gotta have something that's a little over the top.
Shiny crystal.
Shiny crystals. So the rocks will be a little bit weird or cool, depending on how you wanna
Bigger the crystal, the better.
say it. Anyway, so right behind us here will be the pondless waterfall. Let's get started. So this is one of my favorite things. Look, these little tiny drops coming down out of the moss, just like that. And if you can get a light down underneath them, it shines up, it catches every single one of those little drops as it comes down. It's one of the coolest things that I think you can do with just a tiny bit of water. The house that I grew up in. It's a bathroom window, a kitchen window, and then this is a living room window. You can see upstairs, there's part of the master suite there for my parents. So this spot is really a good spot because we can see from a lot of different rooms of the house. We'll be able to hear it from a lot of different places. So whenever you're installing a waterfall, you want to look at the places that you're going to see it and hear it from. And at this house, this is really the best place for that. And we've got a great slope to work with. We're not trying to build something up from nothing, which is just a bonus. So I'm gonna turn you around and let's get started. Look at this. It's one of those crazy rocks I was telling you that we would try to find. It's a little bit of quartz. My dad found it somewhere, and we're gonna put it in the waterfall right over there. Yeah, everybody wants to see who you are. Everybody wants to know who's working on the project today.
I'm not working on the project. I'm at work in my office.
Don't tell anyone.
Last day, we're planting plants.
Yes.
Woo!
Pat myself on the back. Glove.
Hi.
Say hi.
Can you wave?
What are we building? A pond.
Yeah.
And what are you planting? Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get to planting some moss, some sleep, and today's the last day. Maybe you'll get to see it run. Woo!
Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game, where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end.